Hello, my name is Santiago Guerra Luna. I am 22 years old. I live in the rural area of the municipality of Chigoró. I'm about 10 minutes away. My occupation is employed. I work on banana fruit. We agriculture and machinery on banana farm. I am 30 big Sena. As a machinery operator, I am studying logistics and greener in the municipality of Chigorodó. I'm graduating 6 years. I am going to tell you live about my family. I live with my mom and my sister father. I have a sister and she lives with her husband. My sister has an 11-year old daughter. My father lives in Medellin. I have a grandmother and two of my close live with her. I have their close cousins and we're a very unity family. Now I am going to talk about my day routine. I work from Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. I wake up at 4:20 a.m. and 5:10 I leave my house at 17 a.m. I may wake my coworkers to have breakfast and now we'll go out to have lunch and after that when share time to house or rest by taking a nap on Thursday and Thursday. I leave work at 3 p.m. because my company has me permission to go study. I am studying from Monday to Thursday from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and fair if finish study to go my grandmother house to have dinner. At 9:30 p.m. I am at my house and at 10 p.m. I am resting for the next day. On when I help my mother with the farm, or in the class planting and passion fruit go. No, I am talking. I leave a book today. I am helping my mother organize a roof of the house, and I am done maintaining on my motorcycle. Now I am going to the job and cleaning above my house. I life going to with my family there to the sack, to the river or the beach or the place, something on where night when glass and my grandmother house to play dominoes and listen to music with my family. I life done sport, something in the work morning and go hobbies or rig me bicycle. I live watching soccer. I am from Atlético Nacional and Barcelona. In my friends me and Nick when how I am Lindon and like listening to music where are the those because it make me feel happy. Orf and also was movie series on cell phone. They joke very much for your attention.